We are familiar with the laws of exponents from our earlier classes. Derived from these very laws of exponents, we have laws of logarithms. The laws of logarithms help us in solving some problems. Let's find out the laws of logarithms one by one. Let's first see the product law of logarithms. Product law of logarithms states that the logarithm of product of two functions is equal to the sum of the logarithms of the two functions with the same base. We can write this mathematically as log of xy to the base a is equal to log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. For example, log of 2 times 5 base 10 is equal to log 2 base 10 plus log 5 base 10. Next, let's see the quotient law of logarithms. Quotient law of logarithms states that the logarithm of the quotient of two functions is equal to the logarithm of numerator minus logarithm of the denominator. We write this mathematically as log of x over y to the base a is equal to log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. For example, log of 5 over 3 base 10 is equal to log 5 base 10 minus log 3 base 10. Next, let's see the power law of logarithms. The power law of logarithms states that the logarithm of a function raised to an exponent is equal to that exponent times the logarithm of the function. That is, log of x power y to the base a is equal to y times log x to the base a. For example, log of 2 power 6 base 10 is equal to 6 times log 2 base 10. Let's now use these laws of logarithms to solve some problems.